Okay.
Okay, not too bad. Anyway, same watch. 58. I'm just gonna check the serial. See if we got the same serial. 79. Look at that hard. Lucky I was, eh? Close to the same serial number. Very close to it. Okay, now let's see how stable I am. I can really see things. Good watches, you can always take everything apart. See the spring, how delicate it is? If I would do a mistake right now, I could damage it. I am sorry not to control my breathing, because I don't have much choice if I go to breathe too fast or do anything bad. There's a little screw there. You maybe have not seen that. That's called a regulator. I've opened the regulator out. That's the regulator. Is simply it's a little set of pin that when it's closed in. So there's a screw to open that so that the hairspring blade can come out. So as I've removed that, I'm going to be able to pull everything out. But yeah, and the idea of the regulator is simply you got your pins there, and you got your arm over there, and then you play with this, and of course shortening the spring or making it shorter or longer. That's where it works, you know. So you adjust, because the shorter the little hairspring, the faster it goes.
Faster it will go, yeah, okay.
That's the idea. It's called a regulator because of that. So now we're going to remove the stud. Maybe you want to learn how to do this. The only time we touch.
You're doing good. Never mind.
And I'm seeing how it's done. I see some people sometimes are so amazed of the way it's done. And look at one screwdriver, the very small one.
Well, I really like the YouTube videos that I, learn so much from them, Like,
yeah, okay.
And I'm sure you'll have people looking at this that do try to fix things.
You're right, yeah. Pretty delicate work. That's small. That's a true screwdriver, And very big. Now, if I'm not stable, this part I couldn't do. When you work a lot on watches, you do this in no time. See, so I've detached it. Now I'm going to check this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This guy did a good job. He must be a watchmaker not doing that. He must be. So now I'm checking. I'm going to use a powerful eye loop, and I'm going to look at the whole thing, the pivots, the jewel, absolutely everything into the watch. That's like the very heart of the watch type of thing. That's what makes it tick properly. Kind of tiny, yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, is that ever
Small?
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's a small one. It's one of the most difficult watch to work with. See, I'm using the no loop for a second, but I start right away with the loop. Well, it's worth a try. Yeah, I guess we're gonna give it a try.
What are you examining there when you're looking at it like that? What do you...
I've checked if there was any damage, and the pivot itself, if they are straight, if they're show any sign of wear, any damage to the roller, the jewel itself. I didn't check if it was loose or not. I'm assuming it is okay. And when I say it's worth a try, I'm going to take the other one out. In this case, I can, the balance is okay on my watch here, but I'm going to check it, and worst may go, I'll use just the hairspring, which will be, I'll take the hairspring out, and I would just use that, just that part. But in this case, I'm going to use the balance complete, because it's balanced with the watch, you know. So we're going to see if this one is in better shape. Yeah, the hairspring is in better shape, but we'll see. I have to, yeah, okay.
And the one you got, the hairspring's better, or the one that you...
Oh, the hairspring I've damaged a bit, but this is nicer. But the balance itself is better on here. But I'm going to take a chance on this. It's only a few scratches, and okay. I'm going to take this one out. Okay, that's his material. Hey, come here, stuck. Okay, put so we don't mix anything. Okay.
That's a screw?
Yeah.
That's a screw.
Yeah.
Oh, you get a
screw, yeah.
I can't find that. I'd never get that screw in there.
Yeah, it's small one. You see, I don't know if you noticed my tweezers were grabbing things.